Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making apple pie, one of the best things ever. Half cup of agave nectar, that's raw agave, and a pinch of salt. Sea salt, Celtic sea salt is the best. 1/4 to a half teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, and a little bit less of vanilla bean powder, and a little pinch of ginger powder. We're using about a 1/4 cup spelt flour to thicken, and this is about 2 pounds of apples. I peeled them and chopped them up, so then you can put them on the burner and put them on low heat. You want to cook these for 15 minutes or so. I have another video with a pie crust recipe. Pre-bake the crust for about 6 minutes and then put the cooked filling in, and then you can use the rest of the batter to make the top crust. Cut a hole in it so that it doesn't explode out the sides. And then pop it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. 40 minutes, but it depends on the oven, so keep an eye on it. This is nice and done. Now make sure to let it sit overnight before digging into it. Look at that beautiful slice. Oh yes. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.